Hello children, today we shall learn about masculine and feminine which represents gender noun. So the word gender is used to differentiate between you are a male or a female. So children, all the living beings are either male or female. It may a human being, an animal or a bird. So today's topic is about to differentiate between the gender noun. So the first one is masculine. What does it mean? The name of a male noun is called as masculine. For example, father, uncle, brother, etc. The next one, feminine. What does it mean? Yes, the name of a female noun is called as feminine. For example, mother, aunt, sister, etc. Now look at the chart, children. Masculine represents male or a boy, and feminine represents female or a girl. So, at first, we shall take a look of a male person and a female person. Okay? God, goddess. Actor, actress. Prince, princess. Nephew, niece. Poet, poetess. Author, authoress. Monk, nun. Hunter, huntress. Sir, madam. Son, daughter. Okay. Next, let's take a look at the name of the male and female animal or bird of the same species. Drake, duck. Drone, bee. Deer, doe. Boar, sow. Dog, bitch. Fox, vixen. Gander, goose. Horse or stallion, mare. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Ram, ewe. Rooster or cock, hen. Peacock, peahen. Swan or cob, pan. Cat or tom, queen. Now let's test your knowledge. The question is, rewrite the following sentences after changing the gender nouns. Okay? First question. The king was very angry. The king was very angry. In the sentence, which is the gender noun, children? Yes, king is the gender noun. Now make it change. King becomes queen in feminine or a female word. The queen was very angry. The next, the tiger killed the fox. Yes, the gender noun are tiger and fox. So, tiger becomes tigress, fox becomes vixen. Okay, the tigress killed the vixen. Then number 3, he wrote a letter to his nephew. Yes, its answer, she wrote a letter to her niece. The next, She has 2 cows. Its answer, he has 2 oxen, or you may write bulls. Sir, he is absent today. Sir becomes madam. Madam, she is absent today. Clear everybody? Yes. You have to practice all of the masculine and feminine words or male words or female words with its spelling. Okay? So that's all for today. Keep learning. Thank you.